It's Costco time!
It's Costco time! It's Costco time!
Daddy, can you please be excited for this one? Because everybody's like, oh wow, your husband is so excited to go shopping.
I'm excited.
What time is it?
Costco time.
Yeah! I'm a little under the weather. At first I thought it was allergies because it is that time here in Georgia, but I think it's like a cold, so I'm trying to stay ahead of it, so that's why my voice I sound a little congested. But anyway, if this is your first time watching me, hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Gia. I'm a working mom who tries to balance it all, and I would love for you to join my YouTube family by clicking the subscribe button down below as well as the little bell next to it. And for those already subscribed, welcome back. We are literally out of everything. I was so overwhelmed trying to make the list that I just quit because I felt like we needed everything from butter to apple juice to all the kids' snacks for their lunches, toilet paper, paper towels. I mean, we need it all. So I'm really gonna go through aisle by aisle to make sure that we get all of those things. So, but yeah, the flyer really sucked. I mean, it's not even worth me flipping through, guys. It really, every month it seems like it gets worse and worse with the flyer. I mean, I will show you a few things, but there really wasn't anything that I can particularly use, but I'll show you. They have these $10 off naturally solar vintage style pathway lights. That's nice, $10 off for that. This is cute. This 3-piece pajama set's $14.99 women's. Let's see. This chair, Listerine, $2.50 off. I might get some of that. The Green Mountain K-Cups are $6 off, even though my husband, he likes the Starbucks. And then $3 off Rice Krispie treats. I mean, I try not to get that kind of stuff for my kids because they just start bouncing off the walls. Do you guys like goldfish this month or no? Not the pretzel goldfish, but the regular goldfish.
The orange ones.
The orange ones.
No,
they really like pretzel goldfish. Yeah, the cheese goldfish. Do you like those?
No.
Of course not.
We like the rainbow one.
Oh, okay.
Pretzel.
Of course they like the expensive ones. But the Vanity Fair napkins are $2.20 off. Raisin Bran, $2.50 off. Now that's a good price for cereal because it comes with like the extra large boxes, and I think you get 2 boxes. Crescent rolls, $3.40 off. The Febreze garbage bags, $3.80 off. I mean, I guess this isn't too bad of a flyer, but I guess I just didn't need any of that stuff, you know. All right, so let's head to Costco and see what they have. Costco is packed, y'all. Do you see all those cars? Today is St. Patrick's Day, so I was kind of figuring that it was gonna be packed like this, but I don't know about this packed. Jeez, this is like Christmas time packed. Look at this outdoor waste bin. It's $10 off, $29.99. Like, is it for trash or is it like compost? I don't know. Here it is right here. Honey, lift the lid up for mommy. Let me see. No, like you were. Yeah, there you go. Huh, so it's like a trash can, I guess. Okay, close it. Close it. Don't put your face in it. Just, yep, okay. Oh my gosh, guys, it is super crowded today. I can barely get by, but look at these Jessica Simpsons. They look like capri pants, that length. But on me, since I'm taller, it would be like an awkward length. Anyway, they're super soft, very super stretchy, which is always a plus. They're only $14.99. And here are all the colors. They have these air fresheners here, $2 off, $6.99. They smell really good. The only thing is that they're so strong, it's so overpowering, it like will give me a headache. Here's the other scent that they have. Look at this Sunforce Solar Motion Light. This was in the flyer. It's only $10 off, $29.99. It's good to have though on the side of your house or in the back of your house or anything like that. Wow, look at this. I think it seats, let's see, 7-piece. So it seats 6 high chairs. And then in the center, is that like a fire pit in the center? I don't know. It's cute though, it's $13.99. They have all their patio stuff out. Big pergolas, all of that now, which is nice. Okay, so I'm showing these rings for my sister. Last time I showed the rings, you guys thought I was like hinting to my husband. I'm definitely not hinting. I do love my ring set. But I just thought I'd let you guys know, for those who, you know, it's about that time.
Mommy, I see your ring.
Oh, something similar, yeah. You know, Costco does sell beautiful diamond rings. Beautiful diamond rings.
Can I see that ring?
Beautiful diamond rings in all different, you know, price ranges and stuff. So it's good to know, just in case, you know, you want to drop a hint to your boyfriend. Just give him the timestamp of this video and show him. These carry-on bags by Samsonite are really nice. They're super, super lightweight. I like the design of it too. Let's see. Anyway, it's $159.99. Look at these collapsible hampers. For $19.99 you get 2, which makes me feel better. This is the size of them. Here. Collapsible means you can fold it. It's cute, right? I like the color and the design on them. Again, they're $19.99. I love these chairs. We have the chairs for their playroom upstairs. I did want to get 2 more chairs though, but it's so cute. Anyway, they're $13.89 for the chairs, and the table is $19.99. Every time we come, we always look at the clothes, because if anything, even if you don't have a big family, it's worth it to come here for the clothes, because it's a really good price. Like these Izod men's jeans, $14.99. Wow, look at these kids sandals here. Really cute. They are $9.99. That's a really good price for these. I think I might get my girls some. These look really comfortable. $24.99 by Skechers. Go Max. So I bought this sweatshirt from here a while back. It's only $9.97 now. I think when we bought it they were $19.99, and then they went on sale 2 weeks later for $15. And I got a like a rain check, like they gave me the cash difference back of what we paid. I love this sweater. It's like my favorite. So I think I might get myself another one. My husband has this one. Guys, this might be the cheapest I've ever seen these blanket sleepers. $4.97 for these. They're usually $7.99. It's a really good price. But my girls are too big for these now. These are cute. These leggings, they call them active tights. They're $19.99 I guess because they're Adidas, but they're super cute. Oh, these beach cover-ups are so cute. By Nautica, they're $13.99. Super cute. I think I'm gonna get the girls. We are going to the beach for spring break, and they can't fit any other ones from. I haven't bought them a new beach cover-up. Probably. Well, I don't know. Like, so should I buy these? This is when I start getting crazy, because this isn't really a need, and that would be what, an extra 28 bucks for 2 cover-ups. I should check at home to see what I have at home first before I buy these. But this is really cute though. So cute. Little Adidas activewear. So cute. Stuff like this would be great for their summer camp when they go to summer camp this year. Oh, this stuff. How much is this? Oh, it's $14.99. Yeah, it's a little bit higher than I'd want to spend. Then the pajama set is $9.99. Comes with shorts and a long pair of pants. See, it's cute. We have all the beach gear out. All of it. Let's see, coolers and everything. Beach chairs. Oh, let me go look at the beach chairs. Look at the stainless steel wine tumbler set. I guess it keeps your wine cold. Very helpful. $19.99 for a set of 4. Oh, this Cuisinart copper set is so pretty, right? It's so pretty, it makes you not even want to use them. Beautiful set. 6 pans plus 5 lids. It's $199.99. These are my all-time favorite sheets, y'all. $68.99. Okay, I know it sounds high, but let me tell you something. These are the only sheets that I've had that don't bead up after you wash them several times. I've had them for years, and they really, really, really hold up well. I actually want to get myself another pair. I just don't know what color yet. And I think that's my child screaming, so let me go check. Oh, it's a hammock. Beautiful hammock. This would go good under our deck. I was looking at the 8-piece 8 seating chair set in the front. It was really nice. This is beautiful. It makes me want to be on a beach. Ooh, this is a people killer, an animal killer, and a plant killer. #1 cancer causer, Roundup. If you have it in your home, just get rid of it. They have a really good, nice life vest here. I have one for Zara. I need to get one for Ava, though, and it's they're $19.99. Look at this for snorkeling. How cool is that? Covers your whole face up. $49.99 though. I don't like snorkeling that much. I mean, I like it, but I don't know if I like it enough to spend $50 on it. So cute. They had this out. They bring this out every year. I think I bought one. I bought 2 for the girls. I'll just bring it to the beach. This one's different though. It didn't have this with it last year. I don't know. Maybe I'll get them one new one, $12.99. Do they have something new and fresh to play with on the beach? So cute. Map of the United States. It's a puzzle. It's 2 puzzles actually. Melissa and Doug. Is this Melissa and Doug? No, this is not a Melissa and Doug. Oh, in time. Zara's learning how to tell time. She knows how to tell time, like if it's 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock. Let me see if she'll know this. Zara, what time is it on here, baby?
9 o'clock.
9 o'clock. Good, but this is something cute to have though.
Mommy,
See, it's $12.99. So this Listerine is, I don't know why I was expecting it to be cheaper. It's $8.49 with $2.50 off. That's kind of high. And I feel like I would get tired, like the bottle is so big, I would get tired of this taste after the first bottle. I'm just not gonna get it because I'll just go to Walmart and get it, you know, because I feel like the small bottles at Walmart are less than $4. I could be wrong though. Leave a comment down below and let me know. I cannot believe this Classico pasta sauce is $8.49. This, I swear, used to be like $5.99 or something ridiculously cheap. Leave a comment down below if you remember, because I don't remember spending $8.49 for 3 of these, and I'm not going to. Maybe because they're organic. Let me see if they don't. They don't have any that's non-organic, but yeah, $8.49, that's too high. So my mom bought the girls fruit by the foot, and they love it. But I'm like, Mom, listen, this is just a one-time special thing. Like, I'm not gonna give them fruit by the foot, like, for their lunches or every day or anything like that. But I wonder if they would try this. They're on sale for $7.79. I'm going to show them and see if they would actually try it. Now, I like these and I would get them, but they all expire in like August. And I feel like we would not eat them all by that time, and then they'll be all stale. But these are like good snacks. Sometimes I just throw them in my bag to have at work. $5.89 for a 40 count. They're great for lunches too. Here's the thing, y'all. My kids are breaking down right now. So I don't know how much longer we've got to be here. I'm only halfway through the store. You know, I like to take my time and film for you guys. But they're breaking down. What, baby? You're gonna run? Okay. Run after the cart, girl. Nice and sleepy for nap time. Don't push the cart, okay? Keep running. Keep running. I'm gonna get some Brussels sprouts. They were so good last time I made them. If you missed that Sunday setup where I cooked like a whole bunch of veggies and stuff, tap this eye right here. I shared my recipe because even my husband eats them, who doesn't even like Brussels sprouts. But these are really good. You guys taught me so much in my last Costco haul. I think it was my last Costco haul about pineapples. You gotta smell them and then pick the leaf. If you could pull this up easily, then you know it's ripe. So I really appreciate it. You guys are so smart. I wish that I can like just call all you guys anytime I need advice. So I'm going to properly pick a pineapple. But the last couple of pineapples just haven't been too good from Costco. I don't know. Now the one I got from Publix was really good. Now see, oh, now that one picked up easily. And let me smell it. It doesn't smell like anything. Yes, baby. Okay, no, ma'am. Why did I not see these in the flyer? Or maybe I skimmed by them, but the Annie's fruit snacks are on sale for $11.99, which is a good price. Pizza and hot dog time at Costco. Alright guys, so we're back home. Let me show you what we got. So actually, okay, so when we were eating our pizza, I saw somebody with this in their cart and I was like, oh my gosh, where's that at? So I went back and looked and they were only $13.99. It's so cute, right? It's a 3D kite and the girls picked the butterfly. They also had like dragonfly and a shark and a spaceship. It's just really cute, really wide, 54 inches wide. And I figured that would be nice to take to the beach. And when I went back there, I also decided to get this for them for the beach. So that was a separate purchase. Together, this was $12.99 and this was $13.99. So together it was about $28 or $27. So then we got some toilet paper, some apple juice, paper towels, my favorite meatballs. I like to keep those in the freezer for quick and easy meals. I actually showed this in my last day in the life video. I filmed a video, it's called My Day in 2 Minutes. Tap this eye right here, that's what I cooked that night. Some organic strawberries, frozen strawberries for my smoothies, a pineapple, Annie's fruit snacks, organic spinach, K-cups, some Brussels sprouts, organic string cheese, that's for the girls' lunches, and some more mandarin oranges, applesauce, some cookies, these organic pretzels, because the girls like those as well, some Hawaiian rolls, bacon, organic blueberries, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to freeze these and use these for my smoothie as well, and also some butter. And that's it. I mean, it wasn't a massive haul, but I mean, I got a lot of what we needed, basics. I didn't buy hardly any meat, like I said, just the bacon and then the meatballs, but you know, this is good enough and it will last us. Also bought these shoes for the girls. I think they'd be great just to throw on for this summer, and these were $9.99 each. So that's it, guys. You know, no meal plan for this month. I've been winging it quite a bit lately, to the point where it's just like Sundays, I just try to write something out on Sundays of what we're gonna have for the week and just pray that it works out that way. But that's it. Leave a comment down below and let me know, what did you get from Costco this month, and are you guys in agreement with me about the flyers? It seems like they just don't have as much, and even like in the store, you know how they give samples and stuff, there really wasn't that many samples either. I don't know what's going on, but it was definitely different. It was very, very crowded though, like I said, because of St. Patrick's Day. Happy St. Patrick's Day if you do celebrate. Also, when you get ready to check out, you can also add in any food from the cafeteria, and then you just show your receipt when you go instead of having to wait in line. So we added 3 hot dogs and a piece of pizza. The hot dogs are $1.50 each, and it comes with a hot dog and a soda, and then the cheese pizza was $1.99. So altogether we spent a grand total of $230.60. So we're under budget, which is great. Our budget for Costco is typically $350. Now my renewal for Costco is up for next month, but I already got my rewards in the mail, and I like to save those rewards until I have to renew my membership, and then that way it pays for itself. I have a whole video about how we get our Costco membership for free. You can tap this eye right here if you haven't seen it, but yeah, we get our Costco membership for free every single year. You just have to do the math to make sure it makes sense for you. We also got our Costco credit card rewards. I do have a Costco credit card. I don't talk about it a lot on my channel because I don't want to influence anybody to get a credit card who does not have a healthy relationship with money and who keeps consumer debt. We do have a Costco credit card, but we pay it off in full every couple of weeks, so it's important that you do that in order to have a Costco credit card. But we did recently get our rewards for that, which is great because that pretty much paid for our trip for spring break. So that's awesome. And leave a comment down below if you want me to, if you do want me to make a video about that and how we use our Costco credit card and why I like it so much. If you're interested in that kind of stuff, leave a comment down below and let me know. But that's it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, you can tap my picture up above, and you can also check out my previous video right over here, and all of my social media platforms all listed down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!